Hey, what's up, y'all? Today I'm coming to you from actually Indiana, of course, but France Park. If you haven't been here, I just got here. I'm checking it out. I know they got waterfalls, so yeah, check it out. Here, I'll show you. Alright, so here I am trying to get more shots, but as you can see, there's people in the way. It's kind of hard. But yeah, it's a cool spot. You got different shots over here. Again, it's called France Park. It's got a lot of RV camping sites, so it's pretty cool. A lot of butterflies, and I mean, I haven't seen the whole park yet. It only costs $3 per person to come in. So if you get a chance, check it out. Got a guy mowing back there. Like, damn. But there we go. Maybe I'll get my shot now that we're leaving. So, but yeah, I mean, stuff like this, you gotta come in early or late. And watch out for that light. Today it's overcast, so not much sun. Just a big box in the sky. Woo. Black butterfly with like light blue on the side. That's pretty cool. But anyway, let me get some shots in now. I'll come back to you. So yeah, I mean, when you come out and shoot, you're gonna have to play around. I mean, I'm shooting 6 and 8 seconds, and it looks like 6 seconds is pretty right on. Shooting F22, and I got a 3 to 10 stop filter to actually, slow it down because it's so bright. F22 won't do it. Polarizer might do it, but mine is at home. Yeah, it's pretty cool. This is a shot. Check it out. Is this cool or what? And obviously, from the people you saw before, you can go up there and check it out too. Take a shot from up there, which I'm gonna do. See if I can get something cool. Alright, let's go find another shot. Alright, welcome back. Still here at the waterfall. I'm on the top now. I'm gonna show you a little bit how cool this is and all the options you have to photograph over here. It's pretty cool over here. Yeah, let's start this way. Okay, so up here you got this part. Because you got the bridge you can walk across. You got a back bridge over there. I haven't checked that area out yet. But it comes down here. And then you got a little nice fall there if you want to shoot. I mean, you can get a little close up. Look at that. The water reflection up there. Isn't that cool or what? Alright. Get out of there, and then you come all the way over here. And you got a good spot and not fall. I don't want to be a statistic. Check it out. You got the falls right here. You can get some great shots, especially slow motion. Or slow shot or not slow motion. That goes through there. Goes all the way down there. That's where I was down there, taking some stuff from down there up here. Come up here and do this shot. All right, let's keep exploring France Park. So I just did a little quick stop over here, took some photos of the waterfall that's in there in France Park. It's actually pretty cool. A lot of tent camping. You can bring your RV and camp. I'm not sure about sizes or anything like that or prices, but you can look it up. France Park in Indiana. It's pretty cool, and it's got a lot of stuff to do. So yeah, it's gonna be a short video, just pretty much this park hitting some other place. So peace out. Thanks for watching. France Park, Cass County Parks Department. Hey, what's up? Quick stop. If you're ever in the town of Mentone in Indiana, check out the, oh, they say it's the biggest egg in Indiana, but it's the egg basket of the Midwest. Is this cool or what? And then you got a church over here. This is the town of Mentone. I believe this is 25 that I've been riding on. But yeah. But yeah, check it out. All right. Later.